As you can see, I just working out, gym, crushing it, you know.
Guys, I'm actually so busy that I actually have to record videos while going through the car wash so that, it's so I can save time, right? Because I got to max time out, got to max out my day, got to max it out, maximum production. That's me, Mr. Max, Mr. Maximum. Am I overdoing it a bit? Notice, Ted Baker. That's it's Ted Baker sweatshirt. So, yeah, checking out my new listing, getting things organized. Going to be about 1.8, 5,500 square feet. New construction. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be awesome. Look how awesome I am listing properties like that. Pretty awesome. That's how awesome I am. Just on top of the world right now. Just on top of the world. I'm just screaming from the mountaintops. That's how top of the world I am. Okay. I'm talking about stuff that is happening right now in the real estate business. I'm still working. I'm still busy. I got to do it while I'm driving down the road. Hey everybody, how you doing? Kelly Johnston here from the Forex Formula. Got a question for you. Are you perfect? Stupid question, right? Of course you're not perfect. No one's perfect. I'm not perfect. I have so many imperfections, it's unbelievable. Look at my face. But you know what I mean, right? No one is perfect. So we can't expect anyone to be perfect. We've got so many different permutations of personality types that people have, and expectations and habitual beliefs and all these different things that are kind of adding all of these different variables into everything and into what makes us who we are, right? So why should we expect the people that we deal with, whether we're building teams of realtors or we're building teams of staff members and all that, to be perfect, right? The other thing is, how can we expect our clients to operate perfectly in how we want them to operate and how we want them to think and all that kind of stuff? All we can ever do is working on improving ourselves, is work on upping our game, right? Improving our minds and our mindsets, maybe adjusting some habitual beliefs, some habitual thought patterns that have been built into us over the past and through our lives and different influences that we've had throughout our lives. All we can do is work on self-improvement all the time. Expecting everyone else out there to change and adjust and kind of become who you want them to be and operate how you want them to be is actually an impossible goal. It's impossible. But you can focus on yourself. You can focus on getting 1% better every single day and focusing on self-improvement every single day, focusing on how to become better. Stop doing pictures of how sexy you are in your outfits and how good you look in your suits and the cars you drive and all that kind of stuff. No one cares about any of that stuff. People want to deal with human beings. People want to deal with real people. They want to deal with real people, and they want to know, those real people want to know that you care about them. And you're not just dealing with them to improve your own lifestyle. You're dealing with them to help improve their lifestyle, improve their life, make them better. And you're willing to change, adjust, operate, care, find information, learn, whatever you got to do to become better at helping them get something better going on in their life in one way or another. That is always your goal. Always, always, always. Just rambling today. There's no such thing as perfect. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, but there is such thing as progress. Progress before perfection. I meant to end with that. There you go.